Here is a chart of S&P index, there is XPX 500, and we've just got a double top formation in the 1 hour time frame. Here is the first top and here is the second top. A double top chart formation is a bearish reversal chart pattern. So whenever you see a double top, it simply means that we are going to have a bearish move if the neck region is broken. All the while we've been on a very strong bullish move, and we had a little retracement forming the first top, and after this retracement we had a second one which was not able to get to the initial top, which is a very good signal that the bears have lost their momentum. So as a result of that, we had a second move coming down to this neck region where the first retracement stopped, and it was able to pierce it. So we're just waiting for the close of this very candlestick, this 1 hour candle. When it closes, we will allow a retracement. We will just give room for a retracement into this area where the price broke the neck region. Once we have this break and we get a retracement, you will then go to the 15 minutes time frame to find a confirmation that will help you to trade. And where will be your target? The target will be just the distance between this top and the neck region, and that will be somewhere around here. So that will be where you will have your target. And where will be your stop? Your stop will just be above this recent high. So wait for the candlestick to close, and it will be closing in the next 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes before the top of the hour. So wait for this candlestick to close. If it closes this way, then we are moving down. Then you just need to wait for a retracement, put your stop loss just a little above the most recent high, and your take profit down right there. So I wish you the best of trading. I hope you take advantage of this and back some dollars into your account. Ensure you subscribe to my channel